Hi everyone, this is just a quick review of how to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers or vice versa, a mixed number to an improper fraction. So to start with, let's just look at this example. You are going to see examples like this when you're working through on Delta Math. So I want you to convert 36 over 7 to a mixed number. So what I have shown here is that you have 36 1/7, and we have to think about how many sevenths it would take to make a whole, and it would take 7 sevenths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that would be one whole. Another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 would be another whole, and so on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then if we count up how many wholes we have, that's one whole, 1, 1, 1, and 1. So you would have 5, and you have 1/7 left over. So converting 36 over 7 into a mixed number is 5 1/7. Okay, so let's try another one. This time we're going to go from a mixed number into an improper fraction. So we have 5 2/3, and we want to make that an improper fraction. Well, each of these wholes can be split into thirds. So we would have a third here, and another third, and then finally one more third. And we would do the same thing for each one. So each whole can be split into thirds, just like this. And then if we count up how many thirds that we have after we split them all, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 17 thirds. So our improper fraction would be 17 over 3. The reason we split those wholes into thirds this time is because we are looking at the denominator being a 3 instead of a 7 like in the last example. Okay, now remember, we can do this without really drawing it out either. So to convert 63/10 to a mixed number, we ask ourselves how many times can 10 go into 63? And it goes in there 6 times because 10 times 6 is 60. And there would be 3 left over. So it would be 6 3/10. If we want to go the other way to convert 8 1/2 to an improper fraction, this is when you take your mixed number 8 1/2, and we would do 1/2 times 8, which is 16, and then add the 1. So you end up with 17, and the denominator always stays the same. So 17 over 2 as an improper fraction. Okay, so you can refer back to these examples as you work through Delta Math. They will also show you examples of how to do the problems. The next thing you're going to do is go on to the deltamath.com and complete the 2 problem sets listed there. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.